don't need no job. I need candy! I think I'm going to starve to death! Get your order in and not here. Let us try another house. I wonder who lives here. Yes? Trick or treat!
Well, if it is an ultra-normal man, an ultra-normal woman, the unemployment office is around the corner.